Hello my friends. In this video, I'm gonna create the first Kotlin application. So open Android Studio. The Android Studio welcome screen gives you a number of options. We want to create a new project, so make sure that the project option is selected, then click on Next Project. So you wanna be a professional Android app developer, but you don't know where you should start, what things you should learn. You came to the right place. Welcome to our top bestseller Android app development course, a comprehensive program designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge required to excel in the exciting field of Android app development. You need next to specify the type of Android Studio project you want to create. We're going to create an app with an empty activity that runs on phone and tablet. So make sure you select phone and tablet and choose the empty activity option. Later on, we will talk about all of these activities through the course, so don't worry. Till now, you are good with selecting the empty activity. Okay, click on Next. Here we have some options and labels we need to fill them. This is the name of the application. Okay, so you need to specify your name of application. I will name it as Hello Kotlin. This is the package name. You can make it whatever you want. Com, I will name it as com.mastercoding.hellokotlin. Save location, this is all the projects file will be saved here in this path. The language, select Kotlin. We are using Kotlin. And here the minimum SDK, keep it as API 21. The minimum SDK is the lowest version the app will support. The app will run on devices with this level API or higher. It won't run on devices with a lower API. Then, when you are done, click on Finish. And this is Android Studio. Please wait for configuring the files and creating and syncing the project files. So once you create a new project, it takes Android Studio a minute or so to create the project. During this time, it does the following. It configures the project to your specifications. Android Studio look at the minimum SDK you want the app to support and includes all the fields or folders needed for the basic valid application. It also set up the package structure and the names of the app. It adds some template code. The template code is comprised of the layout written in XML and the activity written in Kotlin. You will find out more in the next video, so don't worry, just wait for Gradle to finish and these these working bars and processes will finish soon. Okay, so we are waiting for Android Studio process to be finished in order to run our application. When Android Studio has finished creating the project, it automatically opens it for you. Here's what our project looks like. Don't worry, if it looks complicated, we'll break it down over the next videos. Don't worry. So I want from you to follow me now. Click on this, select on the Nexus 6 or the emulator that you have created in the previous video. Then click on this green triangle and wait for the emulator. And congratulations, you did it. Finally, you create your first Kotlin application. And thanks for Android Studio for creating this template and for creating the main activity.kt file and the main activity.xml layout. Don't worry, we're gonna cover all of this stuff later on in the next videos. But now, I want from you to be happy and proud with yourself in order to achieve more and more complicated tasks. This is a 1 billion application.